Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a Polycom VVX 501 telephone back to its factory default settings. Now normally, to do this process you would need to enter your master or your admin password for the telephone. But let's assume that your admin team forgot what this password is. So how do we do that reset without knowing what the password is? I'm going to show you that right now. So the first step is going to be to reboot the telephone. I'm using power over Ethernet, so I just need to unplug the cable and plug it back in to perform the reboot of the telephone. If you're using one of those power bricks for the telephone, just unplug that cable instead and not the network cable. We see the splash screens on the telephone while it's still doing the boot up process. Then when we're greeted with the screen started application, we want to cancel this. So press cancel. And then we're doing a 3-button key sequence, 1, 3, 5, hold it down. And then we're going to get this special password reset menu. Now the password, because we don't know what it is going to be the MAC address of the telephone in this case. So this is the MAC address of my telephone. I'm just going to get my whiteboard. And I'm going to jot it down. 64167F 1F 1273. I'll put that back down. So this is the password that we need to enter. So let's start. 64167. Now my next digit or alphanumeric character that I'd enter is an F. So to do that, I'm going to press the 1 arrow AA button until we get to the lowercase a. And then to get to F, I'm going to be pressing the 3 button, but I need to press it 3 times to pass through the 3 letters of this button. So I'll demo that. To get the F, I need to press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then I need to enter in a number 1. So I need to bring it back to the number 1 character, enter the 1. Then I have a second F. So I need to bring it to the lowercase letters. The number 3 times to get F. 1, 2, 3. And then I have 4 numbers left. So let's bring it back to numbers. 1, 2, 7, 3. Press enter or OK. And then we saw on the screen, it was very, very fast, but it basically said resetting to factory defaults and rebooting the telephone. So if you entered it incorrectly, you'll be getting the accepting message saying that your phone will be rebooted. If you do not enter it incorrectly, just try again. Make sure that you're trying to get the right alphanumeric characters out of the key sequences and just try it again. And that's it. Thanks everyone.